All right, so we're gonna do a unboxing. So I'm going on a trip next month, and I seen this versatile wrap on AliExpress. It's made by Telesin. Basically, it's like a rubber mount that you can do a action camera to. And kind of my thought process on this was, maybe if I'm on a boat or something like that, and I can maybe wrap it around like one of the railings or something. It's not a clamp, so it's not going to damage anything. So we're going to open it up, see kind of what it looks like, and then looking forward to actually being able to use it. Let's see here. So I didn't get the weird green color, I got a black one. So when you see, so basically it's rubber, so it stretches, so you can stretch it, and then it basically just stretches over this end here. And then you can use it to wrap onto things. So as you can see, it kind of goes pretty small. You know, it definitely, it's not very big. But this is the larger one, I think. There was a smaller one. But, you know, kind of my hopes are, you know, like let's say you have the safety rail on a boat. You take it, wrap it around it, stretch it, because I mean it does stretch pretty good. I mean it stretches pretty far, so I'm pretty sure you can get it around something pretty big, and then it actually spins. So you can wrap it, and then depending on which direction you need to face, you can just turn it and point it the direction you need. So I got this guy, like I said, maybe I can mount it on a boat, or even, you know, if you're on like a trolley or like a safari thing, you could do it to a bike. I mean, you'd be able to wrap that around a bike and mount onto here. So it seems pretty cool. I'm kind of excited to try to put it to use. Like I said, just thought it might be a way to mount something without being obtrusive, or, you know, like somebody, like a boat cruise or something like that, somebody thinking you're going to damage their boat by squeezing a clamp on it. So once again, this is the Telesin versatile wrap. Like I said, I think they come in 2 sizes. And I mean, you can pick it up on Amazon, you can pick it up on AliExpress, you can get it from multiple places. So looking forward to trying it out and see how well it works.